Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, a U pattern is trying to form. The same pattern we have seen form at this particular level. Okay, this is the first and this is the second one. After that, what it happened, it was continuously moving upside. As you can see that this is the low and there is a continuous upside. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, a narrow pattern is trying to form at this particular level in gold. As you can see that there is a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, so chances can be high if this level move upside above a level of $203, chances of going further as upside will be there, because you can see this is a narrow pattern is trying to form, and chances will be high if it crosses a level of $2030, chances of going further upside is there. Okay, or if it crosses below a level of around $1989, chances will be high that we can see it will break this particular zone, and a sharp fall we can see towards a level of 1953 or something dollars. Okay, now if you look at this particular zone, because a trend is forming at this particular zone, you can see a narrow pattern is trying to form. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, because it is already at a strong support, so it has given its a bounce back at a level of $2088. Okay, so chances can be high if this level sustained, it can go towards a level of around $2019, which is already a weak resistance. So chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2022. And suppose if that level is sustained, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2032. And once it move up that particular level, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability is very high it can touch a level of $2059. Okay, suppose if the price move up that particular level, it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $2072, and from there we can see it can move further upside. Keep that in mind. Once the price sustained above a level of 2032, chances of touching 2059 is there, and from there we can see a level of 2072. Okay, because these are the levels which is after this a resistance forming at a level of 2059. So chances can be high that once it crosses the level of 2032, chances of touching 2059 is on a higher side, and once it sustains above that level, chances of crossing a level of 2072 is there, and then we can see it can go further upside, because 2072 is already been a weak resistance, so chances of crossing that particular zone is on a higher side. Okay, but as you can see that looking at this particular chart, there is a volatility we have seen in the price of gold. As you can see, both green and red candles are forming. Okay, and this is the range where the price of gold is moving in a volatile range. Overall trend is upside, but it is quite volatile, so chances can be high that suppose if this level, this support breaks downside, the next support we can see coming at around $2002, and once it fall below that particular zone, it can move further low, and a probability of going towards a level of 1990 is there. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, it can go further low, and a probability of going towards 1987 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1979. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, it can move further low towards a level of $1979 to a level of 1968. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular level, we can see a level of 1950. Okay, see, look at this particular chart. What we can see, if the price fall below a level of 1979, then only we can see the price can fall further, because a trend is forming towards upside. Once this trend breaks and fall below a level of 2003, then only we can see it can go towards its next support of around 1991 to a level of 1989, and from there we can see a level of 1985. Once it fall below that level, chances of touching 1979 is there, and from there we can see a level of $1974. So once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.